Okay, so here we have another simple trig equation. Solve 2 sine x degrees plus 1 equals 0 for 0 less than or equal to x less than 360. First step here with all trig equations is to make sure you have a single trigonometric function as the subject of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, divide by 2. Okay, sine x degrees is equal to negative 1/2. Okay. Now at this point we need to find inverse sine of minus 1/2. Hopefully you maybe already know that, but if you don't, your calculator will tell you that x equals negative 30 is a solution to this. And indeed that is a solution to the original equation. However, it's not in the required range, which is up there. So we're going to have to work a little bit harder to track down the correct solutions in that range. The first thing we should do is either thinking about the unit circle or thinking about the graph of sine, do it both ways, to find the other solutions based on this x is minus 30 solution. So here we've got a unit circle, radius 1, and sine is trying to track down the y coordinate of points on this circle. So if you're told that sine x is minus 1/2, you're looking at this point here and this point here, whose y coordinates are minus 1/2. So you're trying to find the angles that take you from east round to these two lines. So the reason the calculator has returned us minus 30 is because if you start here at 1, 0 and you go not anti-clockwise but clockwise, sort of backwards by 30 degrees, you end up at this point. So the other angle we can find is to go all the way around here, and we should see by symmetry that's actually 210 degrees round from 0. So our second solution here is x equals 210, and we also want to transform minus 30 to being in the range in the question. So rather than going sort of back by 30 degrees there in green, we can think of going to the same point by going back by 30 and then turning a full turn anti-clockwise. That's adding 360 to the solution we had, so we get x equals 360 plus minus 30 is actually 330 degrees. Alternatively, exactly the same thing. Our calculator gave us minus 30 because to get minus 1/2 on this sine graph, we have to go at minus 30. The other solution is here. Using symmetry, that's 30, that's 30. This is here is 180 degrees, crossing point of sine. So that gives you your 210, and the other one is 30 in from the end. So 30 in from 360 gives you 330 degrees. So two ways of thinking about getting hold of the two solutions to the actual problem are these solutions. So there you are.